Hi, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. It is March 2nd, 2026. Who would have thought we'd have made it here, man? Still at it. Still matic. What's good, y'all? Hope y'all had a good weekend. I had a pretty good weekend. Please hit that like button for me on your way in. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. um Still looking kind of slow this morning. VG has been popping on and off of the scanner as it's kind of moving up and pulling back. Nice daily setup and good catalyst, good earnings. I think really good earnings. So yeah, hopefully we get some things popping here. Got a ways to go to get back over pre-market, but it can happen. Looks very possible. Let's see. One thing I did want to do. Let's do that. And price marker. That's gonna change the trade settings too. Thirty, 15. Man. All right. Yo, Micro Don. Good morning, sir. What's going on, man? Is it slow on your side of the world too? And what you trade? It's feeling pretty slow still. Pretty slow. As we prepare for war. Dang, did we finally break this low? No, not yet. 675 still holding, huh? You have a guaranteed 10 cent on TPET, guaranteed by your stop. Oh, okay. That's what's up. Oh. Venture Global. I didn't even really see what exactly this place is. No float data found. 4.4 billion, 192% year over year. That's pretty good. Pretty good. 41 cent earnings per share. It's 24% year over year. It's pretty solid. Pretty solid. But yeah, we got to get back over pre-market high for sure before I mess with that. I don't have anything else besides this either. Only playing the scanner. Oof, I'm a little sleepy though. 100 million volume and only touched one once. Okay. Yeah, oil and stuff. Yeah, I was wishing I had bought some oil stuff before the pop. I guess not too late, huh? I don't know. Been following that. Anybody else following that no limit account on Twitter that's been making all these wild calls? Yeah, no limit. What is this here? BAT, man, BAT. Did you see BATL gap up today? Crazy. That would have been a cool little swing, huh? OIH, that's super expensive. XLE, it's not too bad. Huge gap up. Huge. Huh. Yeah, that's what they tend to do. Ben put a poll in the Discord talking about small caps generally go down or something. Yeah. I just realized how rare it is for them to actually uptrend, and I'm over here gunning for them every day. Kind of wild. Man, I really think this is going to be a nice play off of, 1140 area, but since I'm not buying under pre-market high anymore, I just think it'll be a nice little move back up to pre-market high, but you know, it's not what we're doing. Huh. They do until they don't. Yo, what up, Bobby? What's going on, man? How was the weekend? Just take the 10 cent. I was thinking about that for a time yesterday. Like, what if I just took 2R, man, instead of trying to hit these homers? Just take the 2R. But I don't want to I don't want to cut my winner off, but I also don't want to keep holding for home runs. I want to take what's there. But I want to wait to see what's there before I take it, you know. It's such a fine line, bro. Yo, Stanford. What's going on, brother? Reading the Discord. Energy sector. Yeah. You think it's still time? You got some anybody got some tickers they eyeballing? Mm, yeah, it still feels really quiet. Really quiet. Yeah, no doubt. No doubt. The compounding. Toasty. Oh, dang, I gotta get a new chair, bro. I don't know, VG. Whoa, yo, what up, Pond? Yeah, I got nothing. I got nothing. It's probably gonna be tough if the market's going down too. Yeah, it's gonna be tough. It's gonna be tough, man. Yo, Pond, fresh month. Yeah, man. I just got to take it slow and steady, man. One thing I really realized from last month is that I really need to be prepared for no trade days, like frequently. Like probably a couple times a week, I'm gonna have a day that there's nothing to trade, and my job is to sit on my hands and chat with you guys, you know. Um, so I think that was a big takeaway from the weekend sesh, and also max loss is just so important, man. Like the month would not have been that bad at all if I didn't have those days where I went way past my max loss. Like it's crazy how bad going past max loss is. And I mean just the GP of standing on your principle of your lines in the sand, OG Wave Rider. What's up, y'all? Yeah, that's it, Bobby. That's yeah, I know, bro. Max loss should be like a rarity. Like, man, what a bad day today. I had max loss, not like, yep, Tuesday, another max loss day. Wednesday, another max loss day. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Yeah. Another war. Another war. Huh. VG is relatively strong. It's definitely kind of moving in sync with the market too, though. So it'd be really nice to see the SPY catch a bid today. That's the other part about trading mids, like trading real stocks. They actually follow the market. uh, that's the thing about it. Yeah, now I remember that was part of the reason why I wanted to move to small caps because they felt like independently volatile. You All right. We got another one on the list immediately. XERS. What is that? It's crappy. Earnings. Wow.
RCAT.
Look at VG popping. I knew VG was gonna pop, man. I really was. This is one that I was like eyeballing. Like this, these type of stocks really good off the 15 to buy at the open. to just literally buy at the open.
RCAT.
That's gonna be a play eventually. Cause like, dang, having to wait all the way to pre-market high. Like, look at the run that it already made, bro. So, but for today, we shall wait.
XERS.
Nice to hear some stuff coming off though. XERS.
ONDS.
Daily's crappy though. What's RCAT?
ONDS.
Ooh, RCAT. What's this high? 1383. Alien Control Systems joins
RCAT.
Futures Initiative. Drone Robotic Solution. Okay, so they got like a contract.
XERS.
Oh, this is like Allen Control Systems, counter drone and precision defense. So this is like military stuff right here. Biopharma reports earnings respectively.
VG.
Okay. Nobody's over pre-market high yet except RCAT. Yo, Trey, what's good, Captain Hindsight?
RCAT.
Dang, boy, RCAT moving. VG almost at pre-market high. XERS look mad weak, yo. Yeah, the daily's hella trash too. I'm taking that off. I ain't looking at that mess. Man, this looks good. We gonna be patient. Yeah, RCAT went crazy. To that daily, that previous high over here.
RCAT.
Bruh. Straight up, bro. Straight up. Love to see it. Yo, H, what's good, bro? What's going on? Well,
XERS. RCAT.
yeah, that's too terrifying to take the orb on that one. There has to be a better way.
RCAT.
VG fell off the cliff. Orbs be hidden, bro. Man, yeah, man. I'm real happy about that, Bobby. That joint is feeding me uptrends. That's like one of my main rules this month is I'm just trading off my scanner and nothing else. All right, so the one is done. We on the 5. VG looks like it's done. Uh Shoot. Mess around and have a play for pre-market high break. Do do do. Our cat with the slappage. Finally getting a pullback on the one. Should have jumped on that. Let's wait for VWAP. Man. No, that's too much. Yeah, we shall wait. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see a clean. I didn't see a clean open play that I wanted to take. This actually looks really good. It's late in the day.
VG.
It don't. That's really high volume. VG still trying, huh? Come on down to VWAP. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. Why is this opening range right there? I wonder. Yeah, it's up there. Man, it might run though. I'm gonna let it come down to VWAP though. Yeah, I don't want to buy it after this. Yeah, it's nasty. You know, we could just pass up those. You know, even if it goes, Just like, nah, I didn't take it because of this. And it's like, okay, that's a good decision, you know? That's a good decision. Hmm. Man, really could have took that right there, but
VG.
man. I feel like I could have hit this right here. I don't like this level right here being right there though. Got some high volume hits off of there too. So yeah, it would be better to wait for the break above 1160s. And that's why I got the line there. So it all makes sense. They rolling.
VG.
They rolling. There's 60 break.
RCAT.
Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. Do, do, do. This one is passable for sure, but I'm feeling a ways about this one a little bit. Not taking this low right here, but supposed to wait for a red print. Well, we got a nice top wick here, and then the big pull back there. You know, I want to trade something. I don't know. It's looking sketch. VG look. VG looks very nice. This hammer time's cool. Just gotta be patient gotta be patient for the joint that looks good, you know.
RCAT.
The one I can be confident about. Thanks, HH. Nice. You still in it, Michael
ONDS.
Dunn? Waiting too much. What up, Rob? Yeah, I'll get there one day.
RCAT.
TDME. Missed RCAT. Yeah.
ONDS.
It's still early. Yeah, Microdime trading that too, Rob. I just I gotta attack this VWAP test, man. I'm salty about that. I'm salty. Yeah, I'm a little salty. First 1 minute pullback, I could have hit on this one. Why didn't I? I don't know. VG still looking solid though. VG looking real solid. Those are the B plus you be talking about. Yeah. What's up, Key Life? Yeah, it's looking pretty good, huh? Look at that. SPY rolling up. Yeah, man. That's in the market always does that though. Expect one thing, does the other. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm salty about. Like I'm not salty about RCAT at all, but ONDS, I'm salty, bro. I'm salty. This wick right here, I could have bought the break back over this, back over 1133. It's all good though. I mean, kinda. I guess my attention is kind of spread a bit, but I had it up. It was there to be traded. Back over the opening range on VG. 1178. Is that nasty peak? Yeah. I could complain about my attention being spread, can't I? Yeah, I can't hit it till it get back until it gets over. Yeah. And these guys just done ran off on the plug. I don't know. I got no time for backside, that's for sure. This could be a cool level though.
Order filled.
I'll try that.
Order filled.
What? Yeah, wait for that red candle to print. Too early? Too late. Nah, yeah, I can definitely wait for the red to close though. Well, I'm looking at this high volume top, thinking that we could hold that. Yeah, you know I keep my stop loss tight. I'm not finna hold no dippage. High 63. Yeah, I could have waited back above 64 for real. Okay, down to the EMA. That'd be a wide as heck stop. Hell no. What's this low? 25. Test down first. Come on, pull in a little bit.
Order filled.
VG. VG.
Kind of salty. I was too scared to buy the clothes. Ended up buying the break at a high, but I tightened up my stop too, so not too bad. Man, everybody mad at TMDE. What happened? Joker must have sold off. Supposed to do. Yeah, no. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now move it up. Now we move it up. Big volume on that top. Yeah, if it can't make it, I'll just get out BE. Got the close over 15. Let's go. Let's go. Big volume pop right there. Supposed to be a big volume pop over the level. Let's see where this candle closed.
VG.
VG capping over here. Bro, I'm barely touching one arm, bro. I ain't even covering my first loss. Just want to see what this thing could touch. We over this high volume hit right here. Just see if it'll hold 15 or not.
VG.
Would have thought it'd be less false breakouts. HH. More follow through. Stock honcho. Just waiting to see where we go. Yeah, I'm definitely not adding, bro. We chilling. Stop is at break even, guys. There's no risk on this trade right now. Just relax. That 87 support held focus. We'll see if we can take out this high though. We can touch 1520s. It'd be looking real nice. Yes. Back. This guy with these 20 shares need to go home. Yeah, I mean, this is the third top. It's looking kind of flat now, too. Still not seeing like crazy selling, though, but it could pop in any second. VG dead. Ooh, hors d'oeuvres. Let's go. Come on, man. Push this thing. Man, they selling the heck out of 15, bro. Just keep stacking it up. Mm-hmm. Right on time. They selling 15 heavy. All right, got some shares at 90 though. Okay. Double bottom on VG. You haven't done anything, Pond? Sitting on the old palms, huh? That 15 wall lightening up, letting some price come through there. Mm-hmm. Everything's so flimsy. Not a single trade. First day back. It'll come. Bruh, ONDS, bruh. So sad I skipped that wick, man. Or whatever I did. Wasn't watching it, whatever. It was a nice wick. Guess I wasn't ready because there wasn't a red print. It was definitely red at the time, though. War means money. Ooh-wee, here they come. Here they come. I just need to see 1520 and I will feel very ecstatic. Pop that 20. Pop it. Pop it. There it goes.
Order filled.
Y'all happy now? Let's go. Thanks, Pond. Now we chill. See how long we can stay above 15 and do work. I'm telling you, HH, I just need to see it hold above 15, man, and we good. We good. What up, Siege? Appreciate you, bro. What time is it? 10:15. Yeah, we chilling. BATL. It's like a new trend right here. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Hopefully. Hopefully. It's riding that EMA, man. Riding that EMA.
VG.
VG. Oh, VG. Yeah, I've been waiting on you, VG. Man, you know how many times I be getting chopped in it? I be getting caught in this chop, y'all. Yo, how many times have I been in this range right here getting chopped? It feels good to be over here on this uptrend. It feels good. Yeah, yes, we do. Hey, y'all, hit the like button for me, man. New beginnings, man. New month, who this? I know, bro. The chop was killing me, man. I just it's so unattractive to me now. Like looking at it now, it's like, ugh. This red shading helps too. I like that. Dang, is that gonna be it? Is that it? That's the round over 15. Dang, bro. Y'all getting excited about that little peep. Structure's broken, Trey. Under 9. Oh no, dog. To
VG.
me, yeah, I guess it is subjective. Hmm. Yeah. That was one of the biggest one of the logics that I was standing on when I made that move from small caps to mid and large is that, just the range that they move in a day, like I only need a little tiny piece of that to be happy, you know? Although I would really like 15, 80, 16, Getting warm. Come on, I know the party ain't over yet. It might be. This would have been a nice adder right here, bud. Yeah, for sure. I'm chilling. I did my job. I'm a little disappointed from this trade right here, but got to shake them cobwebs off. Like that first trade always be a throwaway. uh, because I mean, really, I should have been in down here at like 40s, 1440, but it's all good. Come on, our cat. I know we got another one in us. They bidding it up. They want it. They want it.
VG.
Mm-hmm. Straight like that, like that. This is slow. 1501. Yeah, I'm gonna lock this up a little bit tighter. I'm gonna have to put that GIF on the on the stream deck. What's up with my stream deck, man? It ain't connecting. Yeah, that's probably what it is. That always breaks it. It's like once I update the Mac, then the pad, I think it's the iPad actually that needs to be updated. Looks like we're done here, folks.
Order filled.
All right. Always on time with being late. Oh man, don't tell me my stop gonna hold from here. That was a premature raise up though. Do, do, do. No. Right on. Mm-hmm. Jeez. I mean, I can see the early entry. I'm just it ain't part of the playbook, you know. Not yet. That's hilarious. 7. Yeah.
Order filled.
It's too late, OG. Volume is
VG.
incredible. Incredible.
VG.
Morning, Knives. Really? That sucks. It be like that sometimes. Sub penny? Sub penny? Or sub dollar? You sub penny? You on OTC? Come on, 12. Come on, 12. Big orders coming on the ask. Dang. Boy, you be seeing something start to build on the tape and then just boom. Boom. Yeah, this trade has much more potential to be backside than the other trade for sure. But first pull back to VWAP, really wide tail though. I usually don't like to take the wide tail. I like to wait for the retest. Guess we about to find out. We about to today. Yeah. I mean, I like the volume going on, but if we can take out 12, I think we'll be cool. So just see what happens. See what happens. They buying it off VWAP again. They stepped in sooner too. But can we take out 12 is the question. Yeah, might as well go on and update the Mac now because it ain't doing nothing. I mean, the pad. Update now. Yeah, see, it would have gave a nice little chill entry with a little patience. I gotta remember to be patient for that long wick for a better entry. There it is. Cool. We'll see. I mean, we here now, you know. We here now. I think it's got good potential to keep rolling. I wouldn't call this an A plus entry, but I think it at least looks hopeful in this moment. Especially looking at the one. We just got to take out 12 and we'll be straight. But it could easily do a lower high wick through 12 and then, crash out. So, but, got my stop where it is. And, we'll see what happens. This kind of the moment right here. We got to go. Got to go. Ooh, back to 90 on the ass. Okay. All right. 91. Okay. Yeah. When did you start that weekly? Come on, take out 94. Then 12. There's 94 out of there. Come on, man. Get on up there. Get on up. In December. How red? 96 on them. Looking kind of good now, huh? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mm. Back in Sketchy Town. Nah, 15 looks solid, but it still needs to, we still need some volume to come in, though. It's increasing a bit. Tristan. Yeah, I kind of feel the same way, bro. I got a little point 0.6 R on RCAT. But I made back a loss too, so I did a little something over here. But now I'm just sitting here at the mercy of the bid. The pop is coming. I can feel it. I can feel it. What you trade today, Tristan? break that trend line right there. About to break it. Yeah. Oh man, you been busy, Tristan. Hmm. Okay, Rob. Killer. RCAT back at VWAP. Would you say you're like a scalper, Tristan? Or what's your approach? VG finally about to break out of the opening range. 1000%. Ooh, 15 to VWAP looking saucy. That 60 is diabolical though. Volume looking mad dry though. Got caught in the chop. I know, right? uh, yeah, I'm looking for 12, man. I'm feeling good about the break of 12. I mean, if it breaks, I don't know if I'm feeling good about it actually breaking, but you know, I'm hopeful per usual. All right, cat. I knew that joint. That joint was clean on the 15, bro. Hella clean. VG finally broke up. There's pre-market right there. Nah, everything should have news. Looks like the sellers won. Let's see. Yeah, it's been feeling super slow, Tristan. I'm also hoping for things to heat up. I'd love to come in tomorrow and see like 4 or 5 things on my scanner instead of just one that disappears after a pullback. Tap 12. Can we keep it rolling? Choo-choo time. Shoot. I need a lot though. Super wide stop. All this chop mean it's time to pop. Come on, 12, man. Look at all that. Man, I don't know. Ooh, it went through a minute. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. This look like hidden week right here, bro. I'm really ready to take this like a orb right over pre-market high. Pure Billy FOMO. Yeah, that's legit. A lot of candles up though. It's inappropriate. What's it gonna be? Nah, that's solid, bro. Strong move up over resistance. This is like the nature of the orb. Strong candle up over resistance. Closed out of the opening range. Take the break. Opening range. It's the opening range right here. Womp womp. 71. Give me that Billy entry. We'll call it. We'll call it. It's too late in the session to be taking a trade like that. Ooh, now it's looking better. Now it's looking better though.
Order filled.
FOMO just too strong. Nah, this hot fire right here. You will see. I'm ready to just get up out of this joint. It's actually making higher highs and higher lows though. It's just like super taking its time.
Order filled.
Ah.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. Tightened up that stop on ONDS, so it was 0.38 R on that stop. So I think I managed that risk pretty decently. Now we see. Ah, man, that bad weekly. I just feel like it's got to go. It's literally above all this volume. Everybody's in trouble. Everybody's in trouble, man. We take out this, it's over. 12 though. 12 is right there. Got some size at 186, 1186. Can we buy through that? Bought right through that. Somebody bought 119. Yeah, them red orders tiny. Come on. There it is. Come on. What's this high? 91.5. Yeah, I think I follow my rules today. Um, you telling me focus? Is VG a playbook trade? Um, I mean, we got higher high, higher low. What is my I mean, this feels like exactly what I'm looking for. I want the first pullback after moving up over pre-market high. Now, we didn't close over pre-market high. That's like the main criticism I have for this. Like if all of this price action was resting above the pink line instead of below, I would be 100% this is playbook. But it's just kind of you know, not as strong of a play because it's just below pre-market high. But there's not really that much volume in pre-market at all. Like this is where all the volume was at, and it's sitting right on top of all of this volume. So that's why I feel really good about hitting back into it, because it makes sense for it to hold and move up. But how often does that work out, you know? So, it is generally still pretty extended. It's pretty high from VWAP and the EMAs, but just the fact that we're above all of this gave me my conviction. Yeah. Broke the EMA on the one. That's not a good sign. Well, I talked myself out of taking the orb, and then the candle closed red, and the next candle broke the low and bought back up. And that's what got me back in. I just really like where the price is holding at right now, above of the whole day's range. Not only the opening range, but the entire day's range of volume. So that's where I'm at. That's my thesis. So what's happening weekly? But it is extended. Just algos moving orders around. Yeah. Yeah, all the allure is dissipating here. 3 candles up on the 15. It was extended for sure. Yeah, here we go. What is this low? 73. These highs are 78. So I got my stop out the way a bit. Yeah, it just ain't really holding, yeah. Where's the buyers? Yeah, they had earnings. Really good earnings. Big gap up on the daily. Checked all my boxes. It just it didn't run off the open. And I mean, honestly, all my plays are open plays. So that almost makes me want to shrink my window down to 10:30 really, cuz taking trades this late of the day is either backside or volumes greatly dissipated in most cases. Yeah. Yep. That post trade clarity kicking in. I don't think I'm gonna look back at this and be mad about it though. I like my thesis on it. Just ain't go. I could have let it go though. Could have let it go. Yeah, we cooked.
Order filled.
Now it's gonna go. All right. Mm-hmm. All right, so we got a decent trade on our cat. Backside ONDS. And maybe too early on VG. Maybe too early. Yeah, she finna go now. Look at the volume just came in. One more. Uh, nah, Windows closed. I'm good. This is about process, not profits. We will come back tomorrow. Let's see. VG. I'm thinking about closing this down. Hmm. No, for the sake of not touching anything, we'll just leave it alone. And would I have walked away if first trade was 3R? Probably. Um, I want it to be at levels, but it has to be. I want it to be first or second higher low, above the level. Or how do I explain that? Um, feel better now. Took a walk. That's what's up, man. Why did I get out of RCAT the first time? You talking about this entry? Well, because my stop was the low of the candle, and it was still an open candle. I really gotta wait for that red to print, but I think maybe I was looking at this joint. Yeah, I mean, I don't necessarily have to wait for the red to print, but that one was just, just got stopped out and it was a candle too early, and got back in. My arrow should have been down here though. I wanted it to pull back a little bit before jumping in there, but really I should have bought the close and just rolled with it. Should have just bought the close. We're just feeling a little scary after that one. This could have been a much bigger trade just with that 20 cent lower entry. Um, yeah, this volume is actually decent relatively, but yeah, we're done. Oh, let me take a picture of my scans. Let's do that. Good job, young Padawan. All right. Yeah, the technical analysis probably is the easiest part. I mean, it's still, you know, it takes a lot of time and stuff, but it's all the other stuff for sure. For sure. Okay. Yeah, I think I slizzapped. Slizzapped. Yeah, I got some stuff to write about that for sure. Validate every pullback before buying. Those. Hey, thanks, Golden Goat. Nah, it's way thicker. I put all my lines there too. You can't tell? Man, I hope so, Brian. I feel really good though. Um, I really want to be more aggressive at the open and less aggressive at this time of the day. Like I was super aggressive on VG up here. Like, you know, it's late in the day, volume's less, you know. If I'm gonna take swings like that, like if I'm gonna just go for it and hit it, like let's hit this, you know? Let's hit this right here. Right off VWAP. Boom, let's hit that, you know? So I want to be more aggressive as it's moving up and take those trades instead of, you know. Actually, I really like RCAT. A candle early. I really want the red candle to print. I do want the red candle to print. But then I look at ONDS and look at this wick right here and just like, damn, bro, you could have got that. But you know, it just ran off. You know, you could just say it ran off. It didn't give me the entry. You know, it almost did, but it didn't. You know, I really think I could have took this Joan on the one though too. Yeah. So I'll give myself. Let's see. My pullback idea for this one was this candle high right here. So I think that's valid. And then over here was VWAP in my daily level there. So that's valid. And VG was the opening range. I hate it when I buy stuff right under resistance. Like I see it at pre-market and it's like giving me the illusion that it's like in my mind I'm reading this that it's holding pre-market high, but it's actually rejecting pre-market high over and over again, you know. And I don't like that. I'm gonna write a nice little paragraph in my report card about that because this is like when I get caught up in this kind of chop. This is also one of those things that I get caught in time to time. You know, I really want to see some leg stretching above the level, and then the retest. You know, not going up to the level and pausing, and struggling. So I'm not going down that road, Trey. Nah, what you mean though? That wasn't a pullback. Yeah, yeah. It just moved up and paused. That's what I'm saying. It just moved up and paused. Yep. That's exactly what I'm talking about. And that's something that I've done repeatedly. So um yeah. Man, I got feedback. You didn't even say nothing. Where's this coming from? Still a little bit. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, I could have done without it. I'm like 5 minutes away from the close of my trading window, and then I take two swings. Just unnecessary stuff, you know. Especially when I really want my trading window to be 10:30. I just want to also give myself a little cushion. But and I really want to change it right now, but I don't want to change anything. I do it so often. I got to break the habit of changing stuff day to day. So, we're gonna keep it rolling. Um Knock out this DRC. So I took one, two, three, four, 5 trades today. Um, oh, question. You guys hit the like yet? Por favor, like button. Uh, yeah, but these are the red days I need to have. These are the red days I need to have. Not 3R. 3R is disgusting. So, yeah, today not a perfect day of executions, but I'm for a bad day minus 1.5R. I'm cool with that. Got some lessons to pull from. Bro, the backside of this joint. I don't want that anymore. This one was hard for me to completely acknowledge as backside because it's actually like the first red prints. But even this wide wick right here, I hate trying to enter a wide wick. Like the RR on this kind of entry is trash. Like the high a day barely to R maybe, you know. So it's just not a worthwhile trade. This could have been totally avoided. VG could have been totally avoided. Yeah, we could have chilled out with RCAT and that was it. So mm, yeah. All right, one change. And then I'm sealing it. All right. 326. All right. Mark. All right, man. Let me get out this stream. Got some work calling. I'll holler at y'all. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. Y'all have a good day, man. Peace.